Hi, my name is Joshua Coldren, and I'm turning in my presentation project for Mr. Ramirez, period 5. Okay. Okay, so this is my slides. Okay, so my intro body paragraph was, have you ever wondered if politics affect cops or different levels of law enforcement? So have I. And then I said this photo is, this photo's purpose is to help the reader understand what cops look like and what they drive and stuff like that. And the purpose of the paragraph is to set up my essay, and so I could talk about the rest of it. Body paragraph 1. So, what I talked about in this paragraph was how do political views influence police officers on the job? And why this paragraph is important is because we kind of get a deeper understanding of what cops and politics, how those two kind of mix in, and what they kind of have to deal with. The pictures are important because it's a picture of cop and politics. So, body paragraph 2 was what are the political views that surround prison guards? Why this paragraph is important because I wanted to talk about the different levels of law enforcement that can be affected by politics, and I chose a prison guard. The picture is important because it shows prison guard. All right. Body paragraph number 3 was talking about, so how does public influence affect cops on the job or opinion on the job? This paragraph is important because say you get pulled over and you don't think highly of the police, then the and why this is important because cops should have a positive public opinion, but sometimes they don't. The picture is important because basically it's a picture of someone talking and kind of the public and their voice. For my body paragraph 4, I said, how can cops not draw attention to themselves? This paragraph is important because it tells you kind of what cops can do to draw attention to themselves, what they can't do, and I feel like that's important because cops don't want attention to themselves. And then the picture is important because it has a big sign of attention and then to the left. Okay, and my conclusion was basically why my conclusion is important because I talked about it at the end about why all this stuff is important and what I went over and all my body paragraphs and my introduction. The pictures are important because that's the pictures I used for the slides, and this is my works cited. So I use the 3 websites to write my essay, and then thank you.